So the next one is two cars colliding. I have one moving north at some unknown velocity, but I know its mass, and then this other car moving east at 10 meters per second. They're going to hit and stick, and they slide off together at 5.22 meters per second. So we want to know the velocity of this car. Always start with your sum. So let's see, I'm sorry, not your sum, with your components. So my momentum in the x. Let's see, in the initial, I have mass 1, velocity 1. This is all in the y. So that's going to equal the sum of the masses, because they're sticking, times v prime. And let's see, v prime, I'm looking at the x component of that velocity. So v prime cosine of 40. So I feel like I know this. So this gives me, everything I know. That's not helpful. So P in the y, let's see, I have mass 2, velocity 2 equals mass 1 plus mass 2 v prime sine of 40. I don't know v2, I know mass 2, so now this just becomes the thing I actually want. The initial velocity of this 2 going this away is going to equal mass 1 plus mass 2 times v prime sine 40 divided by mass 2. Now we can put in our numbers. We have mass 1 plus mass 2, 3,000 plus 2,000, so 5,000 times v prime is this 5.22 meters per second times, let's see, sine of 40 divided by mass 2, which is this one, divided by 3,000. So let's see, how fast was the first car going? 5, 1, 2, 3 times 5.22 times sine of 40 divided by 3,000. 5.59 meters per second. 5.59 meters per second. That's it. So I'm not worried about this one. Like, I wrote that one out and I thought, okay, that's my initial mass and initial velocity. That's all known values. I know my final velocity that was given. I know the angle and I know the masses. So in the end, this thing I don't even need to do anything with. It's not going to do anything for me. This one, though, I look at it and I'm like, okay, I know all those pieces and now I've solved it.